McCulloch. I'm a lover of all two wheels. I love bikes. I'm a bike rider. I'm a coach. I'm a 5-time national champion, and I'm the current short track national champion in my age group. I'm a big fan of Fullerton bikes. Very thankful to be here with Fullerton. Well, we're here. We're building a pretty cool bike, going back to the national championships, and I need a really, really primo race weapon, and Specialized has made that happen. So I'm excited with the guys from Fullerton and ENVE and Shimano and Fox all came together, and they were like, let's get Brian on a race winning machine, and with some good people, we made it happen. So thanks, Fullerton.
Couldn't be happier for you today. Congratulations, Grandpa. We love you too. You missed a great day with Mr. McCulloch and the Specialized build. We love you, Grandpa. You're going to be great. Congratulations once again. We love you. God bless you and the family.
Yeehaw, Grandpa! Woo!